Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of ManyChat for Facebook, PLR, which launched on the 23rd of September at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this great new release from Shelley Penny. Now, I'm a little bit late to the party with this one, actually recording this on Wednesday the 25th because I've been busy with my own launch this week. But I wanted to bring you this review because, as you probably know, ManyChat and chatbots in general for Facebook Messenger are absolutely huge in 2019. And bot marketing is really taking off. The one thing to say about using ManyChat or any of the other Facebook Messenger type bots that are available currently is that the conversion rates are absolutely through the roof. So if you compare marketing using bots, messenger bots compared to email, then obviously if you're doing well if you get an open rate of 10% on email. On bots, you're talking about something like 70 or 80%, and then you're talking about a click-through rate of 25 or 30%. It's absolutely mind-boggling, the numbers on this. But even if you've got absolutely no interest in experimenting with these ManyChat bots or Facebook Messenger bots, you will find that this as a PLR product will fly off the shelves because everyone wants this knowledge right now. People are actually clamoring to understand how these chatbots work. So use the private label rights, sell this product and keep 100% of the profits, whether you're interested in using these bots yourself. But I recommend that you look into it because it is a really big growth area. And if you want massive conversions, then bots are the way forward, believe me. So if this sounds like it's something that's of interest to you, then listen to this review video. I've also put together 5 custom bonuses that you can get by clicking on the link underneath this page. Also, anyone that takes any of my recommended affiliate products will automatically be enrolled in my video mentorship coaching program. That's if you'd like to be. It's very easy to join. All you need to do is purchase any one affiliate product and then you're in it permanently. You just need to drop me an email with the subject line of video mentorship and send it to contact@elitetigersgroup.org. So that's just an email with the subject line video mentorship and send it to contact@elite tigersgroup.org. That address will also be underneath this review video. As far as the custom bonus is concerned with this product, you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. Now, that's not something that I would want to happen, folks, because as the title suggests, they're custom bonuses, which means that they are exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of ManyChat for Facebook, because you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a bit special. So what is ManyChat for Facebook? Well, it's bot marketing made easy with private label rights. Just to clarify, if you are brand new and you don't know what private label rights are, it means it's a product that you can sell as if it was your own product and you can keep 100% of the profits. So you can claim that it is your product. You can say that the product is created by you. If there's a book version of the product, you can claim authorship of that and you can alter the contents in any way you want. You can give it away completely for free if you want as a lead magnet to get loads of new people onto your list. You can give it away as a bonus with a paid product. Or, of course, the most sensible thing to do is to sell it. Sell it as many copies as you can and keep 100% of the profits. So this is a proven topic in a smoking hot niche. I don't think anyone would disagree with that. There's high demand for this training. All the work is done. You just edit it and go, sell it as your own and build your own buyers list. It's going up on a dime sale. At the time I'm recording this, it's $18.87. You do get the video version of the course. And again, that's why it's a little bit more expensive than some PLRs that are under a tenner. That's because you're just getting the book version. With this, you're getting the video version of the course up front. Normally you would have to buy the first upsell to get the video version of the course, which would normally cost you another $27. So actually this is very cheap. All right, just wanted to flag that up. Lots of high quality testimonials here. We'll come back to the sales page in a little bit. All right, so let's just go and have a quick look at my custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, this review video will be here. This is what we've just gone through about what ManyChat for Facebook's all about. This is the sales video, so I recommend that you watch this. Let's just get a quick feel.
Did you know that the e-learning industry had a turnover of over $100 billion last year alone?
All right, so that's a flavour of the sales video. Okay, so obviously what you're getting here is a collection of private label rights videos. My first bonus, I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can make up to $10,000 using private label videos. So the type of videos that you will get in this course. All right, that's my first bonus. Secondly, you will see in this training, Shelley will show you how to create this and set it up as a course on Udemy, which is the network where people go for training courses. Now, you can do that, obviously, but if you want to create your very own course from scratch for Udemy, it's a lot easier than you think. Any sort of bits of knowledge that you've got about any subject whatsoever, you'd be surprised you can easily turn them into a training course. So I'm going to show you in this video tutorial how to create a course on Udemy. Thirdly, since we're talking about Facebook, I'm going to show you this training that shows you how you can earn $100 a day using free Facebook traffic. That's my third bonus. My fourth bonus, if your priority at the moment is on lead generation, then I'm going to show you how you can get 200 leads a day, again using free Facebook traffic. And finally, there's a book version of this as well. I want to show you how you can rebrand private label right ebooks completely for free. Yeah, a lot of apps out there that charge you. I want to show you a way that you can do it for free, and it's not going to look rubbish either. It's going to look really professional and high quality. All right, so you've probably got lots of private label rights products lying around on your hard drive, not doing anything, just gathering dust, so to speak. Well, let's get them earning you money by dynamically rebranding them. All right, so they are my 5 custom bonuses to go with this. I hope you can see that they're congruent and that they add value to the front end. All right, so what you can do with this, obviously you can build your business. All you have to do is put your name on the product, upload it, and you're in business. Huge niche, 100% risk-free, charge whatever you want for the product. No time limits, get paid immediately. You're in complete control. So what do you get? You get the video training course. That consists of 11 lectures: introduction, the Facebook page creation, connecting the page to ManyChat, how to use the growth tools, how to connect the growth tools to your site, how to use the hosted landing page, audiences and broadcasting, how to use flows and automation, the bot setting, how to use the other options, and a bonus lecture and ManyChat alternatives. So if you don't want to use ManyChat, you want to use a different bot, then you've got that covered as well. So this example of the one of the lectures.
Hello and welcome to our first lecture from this ManyChat Facebook marketing course.
All right. So secondly, then you've got the book version, course transcription, again, all of this. So you could rebrand this and sell it if you wanted to just as a book version, or you could rebrand it and give it away and, you know, charge for the videos, charge for both, charge for one, have the other one as an upsell. Yeah, there's all sorts of things you could do. An audio version, again, you could offer that. There's so much you can do with this, folks. Very versatile. A done-for-you sales funnel. So what you've got here is a sales site and product delivery page. So your sales page is ready for you. Your thank you pages, everything's done for you. Marketing graphics, a set of professionally designed graphics. Now, Shelley is one of the queens of graphic design, so you know this stuff's going to be good. And of course, your private label rights license. Sorin is her partner. I should have said that. Business partner. Sorin Konstantin is the other person involved with this. So that is pretty much it, folks. It's not an over-the-top sales page, which is always good. I like that. $18.87 is the cost. Now, the only thing that I can't tell you too much about is the upsells, folks, because I can only tell you what the items are. By the way, there is an early bird coupon. I think that will have expired now, folks, but do check. If you move your cursor to the top of the page when you're on the sales page, you might get a drop down that drops down with a voucher. Just try it, folks, and trick the page into thinking that you're going to close the tab, and then you might get an opportunity to get a $3 discount. Can't guarantee that. Okay, the main product, we know it's at the moment $18.87. First upsell is $37. I can't tell you too much about it, folks. There's a second upsell, which is $37, and then there's a third upsell, which is $67. You are going to have a look at the sales page, because I do not have the details of what's in the upsells, so apologies for that. But this is a really solid product, and it's a really hot niche, which is why, even though I've been very busy this week, I did want to cover it, because I think that not only is it a very useful thing for you to learn, but it's also something that you're easily going to be able to sell on. So if you're interested, click on the green buttons there. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on the Buy Now button. That will bring you back into your members area at JV Zoo, this one, folks. JV Zoo. So you click on the green button in your JV Zoo members receipt area to access your ManyChat for Facebook product, and you click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is pretty much it. I'm going to give this a 4.5 out of 5 rating. I don't normally give more than 4 for PLR, but because this is such a hot topic, and that's why I wanted to do the review, that's why I'm giving it such a good rating. All that remains is for me, as ever, to thank you for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath, and you'll be informed every time I bring a new recording out. And until then, this has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of ManyChat for Facebook.